Can technology reduce dependence on money? To answer this question, we have to address a few basic questions such as: what led to the introduction of money in the very first place? What was its goal? What makes an entity money? What is the double coincidence of wants and how can we handle its challenges? The actual task or goal for money was to make trade easier and universal, so that everyone has access to the available commodities and services, without worrying about any kind of value discrepancies stored in that intermediary, and everyone can benefit from it as a society. To make it possible over time, common intermediaries were introduced, which had the ability to store value in a form that is recognized and accepted by all trading parties. Entities, such as gold, fiat currencies, and now digital currencies or coins, took that common intermediary token role, depending on a wide range of factors such as time, social, technological, political, geographical location and so on. But, the key objective is the same, and that is, how to make trade easier, whether it's precious metals, fiat currencies, or digital coins. Now that we understand the actual goal of money, the next question is, what makes an entity money? Today, the economists agree upon three fundamental attributes to qualify an entity as money. Number 1. Money is storage of value. Money must be able to hold the value to be effectively used for trading. The faster it loses its ability to store the value, the less attractive it will become. Number 2. Money is measure of value or unit of account. Money must be able to provide a standard of value or a unit of account against which the value of commodities can be measured. Number 3. Money is medium of exchange. Money must be accepted as an intermediary between the two trading parties to facilitate trade. The medium of exchange varies with time, but as long as it can effectively deliver its stored value, it will serve its intended function. Acceptance of money very much relies on its ability as a universal means of exchange of value. Trade and the double coincidence of wants. What is the double coincidence of wants in trade? Double coincidence of wants means one person wants to buy is exactly what the other person wants to sell. When it comes to trade in the form of barter, one of the main challenges is the difficulty of double coincidence of wants. There is another mathematical or statistical example that can be related to the double coincidence of wants. It's known as the birthday paradox. That is, how many people must be there in a room to make a 50% probability that at least 2 people in the room have the same birthday? Answer: 23. The number is surprisingly low given that there are 365 different birthdays. In fact, we need only 70 people to make the probability of 99.9% that at least 2 people in a room can have the same birthday. So, what are the chances or probability that 2 persons online can share a common interest in, say, cell phones, or PCs, or cars, clothes, mechanical tools, online games, etc.? The odds can be surprisingly high, depending on the number of online participants. Since in case of the birthday paradox, there were 365 different possibilities, so if number of brands or models are exactly 365, then the chances of 2 people liking the same phone is exactly the same. But if the number of brands or models are less than 365, the odds would be higher than that of the birthday paradox, which can be the case for most products. The birthday paradox is a simple way to kind of correlate to the double coincidence of wants. Now, can the Internet, in today's information era of wireless technology and smart devices, help with the challenges of double coincidence of wants? The Internet, as a communication superhighway, has connected every individual on the planet, and can substantially reduce the challenges of double coincidence of wants. In other words, it has the potential for providing a market where people can trade without money and will be able to access all the essentials of life. Our platform, indexladder.com, is a step to provide trade opportunities for used commodities and services alike to be treated as mutually exchangeable entities, thus reducing dependency on money. It is completely free, and there are no fees or percentile charges for ads, project or trade conducted using our platform. So come, join and start trading at indexladder.com. Thank you. Our goals: number 1. A trading environment for reusable goods and services. Number 2. Reduce or eliminate money dependency in trade. Number 3. Provide local business opportunities. Number 4. Boost a project-based culture. Number 5. No cost for listing including. Number 6. No charging fees for services and goods being traded. Number 7. Making trade simple and straightforward. Thank you.